Just finished baking these beautiful cakes and I am happy with them. Let me know if you need the recipe. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box below. I'm also going to leave a link for the preparation method. But I just took these out the oven and I'm just sprinkling them with some red wine, kosher wine, red label wine, and I'm just going to leave them to cool before I actually take them out of the baking pan. So I'm gonna be soaking these, keep on spraying these for about 3 days with the red label wine, or you can use kosher wine and add some white rum if you wish. But the red label wine or the kosher wine, you can definitely just add those. Beautiful rum cake, fruit cake, Christmas cake, black cake. This is the best recipe ever. I'll leave a link for you to watch the full video on how to prepare your black cake for this Christmas. Hope you have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for supporting my channel. Please subscribe if you have not done so yet. Like and share. Yes, and leave me a comment so I can know you passed through. Until next time, walk good and have a Merry Christmas.